Hey, hey guys, scifiwb here. Oh, wrong one. And what day of the month is it? It's the 4th, May the 4th. That's actually the actual Star Wars day. They call it May the 4th be with you. They just started a couple years ago. But there's also one other reason. Video Games Monthly. Yay! I'm so excited. Now, for those who don't know, Video Games Monthly is what is it?
Is a subscription box.
That's right. It's a monthly subscription box where you can get video games instead of little trinkets. Now, you do get a trinket, but the priority is video games. Now, you can get three game box, 4-game box, a 5-game box, or a 10-game box. Now, I was recently getting a three games. Well, starting this month, I raised it up, so I get 4 games now. So that's really cool. So let's open her up and see what we got. All right. Be careful with scissors, boys and girls. Always have an adult use a knife. So let's check this. We'll use safety scissors. There's a good advice. Alright, so we got the little packet. This one's pretty bulky this month. So there's old Floyd. So let's see what we got. You peeked, didn't you?
Of course I did.
Of course we did. Very good. We got a 1-up. Isn't that cool? That means we get an extra game. That is always cool. That means we get 5 games. Plus the appreciate your business, and don't forget to update your list so you don't get
No peeking.
Okay, I won't peek. Got an NES game. Alright. So let's see what it is. Ooh, RC Pro-Am. There it is. That is awesome. We get to race RC cars. It's actually a good racing game. Alright. Oh, it's a DS game. I was like, what the? Didn't feel it. Your hero, your adventure. Oh, this is awesome. Drawn to life. Where you get to draw adventure games. Complete. That's always cool. Alright. And this one is... Oh, it's an Atari 2600 because I have Atari. Now, to talk about the video games, you can get from all the way back to Atari 2600 and now in television games. Yeah, all the way to Wii U and PS3 and Xbox 360. Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm.
We got, ooh, this is actually a good game. Street Racer. Alright. Alright.
Sealed.
Oh, we got a sealed game. Ooh, Quake 3 Arena from Dreamcast. I think I'll keep it sealed. I'm not sure what I'll do with this. Alright, last one. it's a box. You know what? I think this is a. I was talking about in television games. I think this is a television game, and it is. New Whitewater for the Intellivision system. I've never played something like this. It looks really cool. Really a great. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh. Comes with manual. Oh, and at least, yeah, say one of the, yeah, comes with the game, of course. And these actually go on the controllers. And then you can press the numbers and stuff. So it actually comes with one. That's also always good.
There's no trinket.
No trinket?
Oh, he said no.
Video games monthly, what's going on? I hope next month you get a trinket because that's
At
really
least we
cool
got
to
the
have.
photo wrap. That's our trinket.
That's not a good trinket. But actually, from all we got, I'm really pleased.
At least we got that.
Yeah. So recap, we've got new Whitewater.
Hey, no dropping things.
Yeah, I dropped the.
I think it's the bench.
Sorry, I'm taking so long. We got Whitewater for the Intellivision. Please stop that.
Ah, me?
Wait until I'm done, okay?
Ah, man.
Oh, man. We got Street Racer for the Atari 2600. For the DS, we got Drawn to Life. Awesome. For the Dreamcast, we got Quake 3 Arena.
I'm wondering if this itself is a trinket, maybe.
No. That actually goes to the that goes to the Intellivision. Like I said, it goes on your controller. And for the NES, we've got RC Pro-Am. Actually, I am really pleased with this today. Well, I hope you liked the VGM this month. The next month it has a trinket because I like those trinkets. It's real fun to get. I was going to say something, but I forgot.
Join the club.
um,
Oh, wait, he already has.
which one was your favorite? Which?
Don't know.
Don't know? Well, you know what? Neither do I. I think they were all pretty good. Tell me which one you liked down on the comments below. One more. Okay. And yeah. So I better stop because I have no idea what I'm just rambling. So I'm going to say take care and play on.